Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful family tree house model for a school project. The first step was creating the base of the project. I took a brown cardboard sheet and carefully cut it into the shape of a house. I chose a house shape because it looks attractive and symbolizes love, care and togetherness in a family. After this, I colored the base of the house using peach color. After completing the base, I started working on the roof. For the roof, I used brown paper and created a scallop style design. The curved pattern gives the roof a neat and decorative appearance. I used metallic markers and made blue and pink circles with a metallic gold border. The blue circle represents the male members of my family, while the pink circles represent the female members. Altogether, I have made 8 circles, 2 for my paternal grandparents, 2 for my maternal grandparents, 2 for my father and mother, and 2 for my sister and me. Now, let's arrange the circles on the house model. First, I place the paternal grandparents at the top section of the house structure. Next, I place the maternal grandparents in another balanced position to show both sides of the family equally. After that, I place my father and mother in the middle section, representing the next generation. Finally, at the bottom, I place my sister and myself, showing the younger generation of the family. I carefully arranged everything in a neat and balanced way so the family structure looks clear and easy to understand. First, I arranged all the materials and carefully explored different ways of placing the circles on the house model. I tested a few layouts and observed which arrangement looks the most balanced and visually appealing. After comparing different options, I selected the best arrangement that clearly represents the family structure and fits well within the model design. After finalizing the arrangement, I carefully stuck all the circles in the selected positions using double-sided tape. I made sure each piece was placed neatly and firmly so that the model looks clean, stable and well organized. For roof, I created a scallop pattern using brown paper. This design gives the roof a decorative and elegant appearance. I carefully placed each piece to make sure the roof looked symmetrical and neat. To make the edge stand out, I decorated the border using pink striped with golden detailing. The combination of pink and gold adds a soft and elegant touch to the model. Small details like this make the project look more attractive and professional. I decorated the bottom part of the house with beautiful flowers in different colors, such as pink, yellow. These colorful flowers make the model look bright, lively, and attractive. I carefully arranged the flowers along the bottom border to create a balanced and elegant design. The flowers symbolize love, happiness, beauty, and the strong bond that keep a family together. This decoration also gives the family tree a warm and cheerful appearance. Once all the major elements were in place, I carefully fixed a quote card. Together we make a family in the center of the project. This becomes the focal point of the entire family tree and beautifully represents the importance of family unity. Then I prepared labels for each family member. I labeled a circle as maternal grandfather, grandmother, paternal grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, me and my sister. Next, I carefully prepared and attached a label for each family member. The labels include paternal grandparents, maternal grandparents, father, mother, me, and sister. These labels help identify each family member clearly and make the family tree easy to read and understand. I neatly place each label beneath the corresponding circle to maintain a well-organized appearance. And that's how I created this beautiful family tree house model. I really enjoyed making this project and I hope it gives you some creative ideas for your own school assignment. A family is our greatest strength and this project reminds us to love, respect and cherish every member of a family. As the quote in my project says, together we make a family. It is the love, care and support that we share to make a family truly special. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and classmates. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY crafts, school projects and art ideas.